This is an introduction to the tutorial that you'll be learning to work with InDesign's data merge functionality, which is really fantastic. So let's just dive in. This is the introductory video. I'm just going to show you basically what you'll be accomplishing. Let's just assume you work for a company and they're producing this book, and the design you just did for a page layout has been approved. And now they say, great, generate the 12 pages, because we're talking 12 pages in the color wheel, generate these. So you've created the images, and now you would normally have to duplicate this page and copy and paste and copy and paste. But with data merge, you can do that pretty much instantly when you set up a database. So we'll be touching on this in the series of videos, but I'm just going to demonstrate to you right now how this works. Check this out. You have a one-page document. I go up to Window, and I go to Utilities, and I go to Data Merge. And then I'm going to point, this little window comes up and it's saying, well, what data do you want to use? So I go up here to select my data source, which I know is on my desktop. It's called book data. I just click OK. We'll go more into that. And then I'm going to now assign the data to where it goes in the layout. So I'm going to wake up this box and I'm going to click on product image because that's where that's going to go. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to tell InDesign how I want it to place that image. I'm going to tell it fit all images proportionally and center them in the frame. And I'll click OK. Now over here, I'm going to do another thing. I'm actually going to go up here to type, and I'm going to go to here and say the information that goes there is the current page number of my document. So right now it automatically went back to 1 because it's recognized that this page exists in the document as page number 1. Now I'm just going to highlight this name of color and go over here to the database and click on that data. And you can see it applied this interesting attribute of these symbols before and after. And that's as easy as it is. I just go up here to Create Merge Document, All Records, and click OK. And now it's telling me there was no overset text, but if you'll check this out, look what it did. It generated every single page of my document right here. It assigned the right page, 6. So this is going to be a fun, hopefully, and very useful series of skills that you develop in InDesign. So I'm looking forward to having you walk through the series of tutorials.